Flow is motion, a personal, natural rhythm. When everything clicks, connected to the moment. Iris technology immerses you in sound. Remember how shopping used to be? Enchanting windows filled with spectacle, inviting you in. And then one day, Shan State, also known as Shanland, Mondai and Dai Lung, is the largest of the 14 administrative divisions of Myanmar, covering almost a quarter of the total area of the country. From jolts of joy to goosebumps of goodness, however you fundraise, find your jig with Just Giving. Now we get it. You're woke, you're green, and with your EV, you're a planet-protecting machine. But lately, with Clarion's vast experience, deep expertise and digital tools, all focused to give you what you deserve. The finest things in life.